It's the question that keeps you awake at 3 a.m. You gave her everything. You were loyal. You were available. You treated her like a queen. Yet, she left. And worst of all, she chose a man who treats her worse, has less money, and seems to care less than you do. You think she made a mistake. You think she's confused. But psychologically speaking, she made the right choice. Today on Echoes of the Mind, we are going to perform an autopsy on your attraction. We're going to discuss the harsh evolutionary truth of why women pick dangerous men over nice guys, and the specific behavior you are doing right now that makes you invisible to her desire. Welcome back. To understand why you were replaced, you have to drop your ego. Most men think attraction is a checklist. Get a job, be nice, buy flowers. But attraction isn't logical. It's biological. If she chose someone else, it's not because she hates you. It's because you failed to trigger a biological response. You became safe, and safety kills desire. Let's break down the 4 psychological reasons she chose him over you. Reason number 1, the covert contract. Many men operate on a hidden transaction. You think, if I am nice to her, if I listen to her problems for 3 hours, if I pay for everything, then she owes me love and loyalty. This is repulsive to female psychology. It screams manipulation, not affection. The man she chose? He doesn't do things to get something. He does things because he wants to. When he's nice, it's genuine. When you are nice, it feels like a debt she has to repay. She left because she felt the pressure of your expectations. She chose him because with him, she feels free. Reason number 2, you put her on a pedestal, so she had no choice but to look down on you. When you make a woman the sole center of your universe, you signal to her that you have no mission, no purpose, and no drive outside of her. Biologically, women are attracted to men who are on a path, men who are going somewhere. Think about it. If you are always available, always texting back instantly, always ready to cancel your plans for her, you are telling her that your time has no value. The man she chose? He has a life. He has goals. He prioritizes his mission over her feelings sometimes. And ironically, that is exactly what makes her chase him. Reason number 3, you became boring. Human beings need contrast to feel emotion. We need hot to understand cold. We need tension to feel release. You tried so hard to eliminate all conflict, all disagreement, and all bad feelings that you flattened the relationship into a straight line. She chose the other guy not because he's toxic, but because he provides emotional spikes. He challenges her. He calls her out when she's wrong. He isn't afraid of losing her. That fear of loss, that is the spark of passion. If she knows you will never leave no matter how she treats you, she has no reason to respect you. And finally, reason number 4, the leadership vacuum. In every dynamic, someone has to drive the car. If you are constantly asking, what do you want to do? Where do you want to eat? Are you okay with this? You are forcing her to lead. She doesn't want to be your mother. She wants to be your partner. When you abdicate leadership because you are afraid of making a mistake, she feels unsafe. She chose the other man because he makes decisions. Even if they are wrong decisions, the act of deciding shows confidence. It shows he trusts himself. So, is it over? Yes. The version of you that she left, that version needs to die today. You don't get her back by begging. You don't get her back by explaining how nice you are. You win by becoming a man of purpose, a man who has boundaries, a man who respects himself more than he desires her validation. When you stop needing her, she will start wanting you. But by then, you might realize you deserve better. This is Echoes of the Mind. If you are ready to stop being the nice guy and start being the man you were meant to be, hit that subscribe button. We are just getting started.